This is why most animal rescues fail. When people see an injured animal, the instinct is to rush in and help immediately. But animals don't understand good intentions. To them, sudden movement feels like a threat. Touching too quickly, lifting incorrectly, or crowding the animal can make injuries worse. Many rescues fail not because people don't care, but because they don't pause. Real rescue starts with patience, distance, and calm. Observation comes before action. Learn before you help. Education saves lives.